कहाँ था यार?
यार मेरा सुपरस्टार बीटाउन पर है इनका राज, इनकी मूवीज होती हिट, हर अवार्ड से मिलती गिफ्ट। न्यू मूवीज आर ब्रेकिंग नॉर्म्स, लीडिंग एक्टर हो या डॉन, बॉलीवुड का अब है टाइम, ऑफ बीट स्ट्रिप्स आर फाइन। यार मेरा सुपरस्टार, इसके फैंस हैं हजार, पैपराज़ी इनके विश में, बॉक्स ऑफिस इनकी ऑब्सेशन। यार मेरा सुपरस्टार। वेलकम टू यार मेरा सुपरस्टार एंड यू आर विद मी संगीता। एंड आज जो दो लोग मेरे साथ हैं, मतलब इनके बारे में हम कहें तो क्या कहें, एक वर्ड भी कह दूं मुझे डर लगता है। एंड जैसे इन्होंने एंट्री मारी हमारे सेट पे, एवरीबडी वाज लाइक बीप 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 फुल, मतलब गुस्से में, प्यार से। यू कैन लव देम, यू कैन नॉट इग्नोर देम, यू कैन काइंड ऑफ हेट देम अ लिटिल बिट, बट आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट AIB के तन्मय भट्ट एंड रोहन जोशी। वेलकम टू द शो।
We're supposed to clap for ourselves. Yes. Thank you.
Listen, we love you. So
Thank
lots
you.
of claps, but seriously, do you know this? इतना सारा buzz कभी इस बिल्डिंग में नहीं रहा है. The minute people knew कि आपके पद चरण यहाँ पे पड़ गए, full excitement has happened. तो कैसे लग रहा है हमारे सेट पे यार मेरा सुपरस्टार Zoom में पहली बार, like a chat show kind of format, dude.
Honestly, like थोड़ा सैडनेस महसूस हो रहा है क्योंकि हमें ये भी पता है कि यूजुअली 50 फीट अवे अर्नब गोस्वामी बैठते थे और अब वो यहाँ है नहीं, तो मतलब
just in my head I'm singing Tanhai from Dil Chahta Hai really slowly.
Like I'm thinking of all those sad Bollywood phrases like Dil Mein Andhera and things like that. So I'm a little sad to be, but also excited.
Clearly one of the reasons जो दोनों black पहन के आए हो यहाँ पे, it's
Yes,
like a
मैं तो
sad feeling.
morning है इसलिए.
Slimming है.
Yeah. No, I'm mourning though. I'm mourning.
Is this the first chat show?
Is this our first?
I think so. Yeah.
I think so.
I think
Yes.
the first.
Yes. We're officially famous enough to be on Zoom. This is
That's
big.
true.
This is big. We're
That's
officially
true.
famous
This
enough to
is
be on
इसको
Zoom.
देखो guys, इसको देखो.
ध्यान से देखिए इसे. Do you want to say hi to anybody who's like watching from home? Hi, mom, dad.
Mom, in case you've accidentally, while flipping channels to National Geographic, you stopped on Zoom. Hi. I'm sorry to surprise you when I didn't tell you that I'm going to be here.
All right, but that's Rohan Joshi, Tanmay Bhatt. We obviously know that you guys do stand-up comedy. Right now you're sitting, and are you ready to do sit-down comedy right now?
Absolutely.
Tell me, why is it called stand-up? क्यों stand-up comedy? ये नाम कहाँ से आया? I'm sure बहुत ज़्यादा research किया होगा दोनों ने.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Really?
Why is it called chat show?
Yeah.
It's very
Because I'm
simple.
chatting.
And
Stand-up
it's a
comedy.
show. So you're standing up and
Yeah.
you're doing comedy.
क्यों, मतलब तुम बैठ के क्यों नहीं कर सकते हो, लेट के क्यों नहीं कर सकते हो? ये स्टैंड अप कॉमेडी, एक तो तुम खड़े रहते हो for hours together, for minutes together performing. So
This is why we've never been on a chat
Yeah,
show
this is why never
before.
on a chat
This is
show.
why.
This is
'Cause we get
exactly
caught
why.
out.
how
Yeah.
mean
Because
are these
you
people?
can apply that logic to literally everything. क्रिकेट लोग खड़े रह के क्यों खेलते हैं? मतलब बैठने का ना फील्डर लोगों को, मतलब फिर कितना आराम से थर्ड मैन पे बॉल कितनी बार आता है?
That's
मतलब
fair.
मतलब कुछ तो सोच के तो किया होगा ना, मतलब स्टैंड अप कॉमेडी कभी दिमाग में नहीं आया चमको ट्यूबलाइट मोमेंट
क्या?
for both of you?
Why
Never
it's called
thought of
stand-up?
it.
I think
No.
I always thought because we stand up and we
think-
talk to people
Yeah.
and it's sometimes comedic.
Yeah.
And yeah.
Sometimes comedy.
Sometimes comedy.
I like this. I
We're
like
humble,
this
we're
honesty.
humble.
Very humble,
Very humble
people.
people.
And like first things first, AIB. I know for a fact, Tanmay, you came up with this name, and उससे पहले
Yeah.
तुम जो क्या रेडियो काइंड ऑफ थिंग कुछ करते थे.
हम पॉडकास्ट करते थे उसके
Right.
पहले, और द आइडिया वाज हम जब पॉडकास्ट कर रहे थे तभी we wanted to discuss current affairs but in the style that we enjoy doing. So it was supposed to be like a parody of All India Radio. तो इसलिए हमने All India बकचोद नाम दिया उसको, पर
According to one newspaper, All India Backhood.
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 Yeah.
According to one
I
newspaper
saw that
report last week.
Yeah,
Yes.
so पर तभी हमें पता नहीं था कि पैसे कैसे कमाए, और हमने फिर नाम रख दिया और फिर सोचने लगे मैं और खम्बा कि हम पैसे कहाँ से आएंगे, कोई स्पॉन्सर क्यों करेगा. लेकिन टुडे आई एम प्राउड टू से दैट अल जजीरा, टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया, एवरीबॉडी हैज रिपोर्टेड आवर नेम.
Right.
So look ma, you never thought I'd make it this far, but
Yep.
here we
Listen,
are.
Ma,
We made
already
people say the word.
was,
Yeah.
We
was
made people
shocked
say the
at
word.
how when your name was like flashed, AIB was everywhere. See, it's a fact कि जब भी हम AIB कहते हैं ना, लोग डरते हैं.
हाँ.
कि यार मतलब अपनी तो वाट है बॉस.
हाँ तो मतलब अच्छी बात है ना, थोड़ी सी मतलब लाइक जैसे जब लोग
अपना वाट है.
हाँ मतलब जब लोग ऐसा मोदी जी बोलते हैं तो सब तो मतलब आ जाते हैं ना, मतलब थोड़ा हाँ
हाँ, लोग अमित शाह बोलते हैं तो आप काउच के नीचे जाते हो, मतलब एक्सट्रीम fear.
extreme.
So it's good. I think fear and respect and intimidation
It's
goes
a good
hand
thing.
in hand.
Yeah.
It's a good thing.
Super.
good thing.
Talking about fear and intimidation, if I look at you, Rohan, क्या मतलब the eldest in the gang of AIB? if I'm not
Eldest and
mistaken?
oldest
Oldest.
is, yeah.
तो ज्ञान बांटते हो तुम?
I can state without any reservation question and completely objectively that nobody looks up to anybody in the four of us. It's literally like, I think the golden rule for us, there's no intimidation, no looking up. Age is irrelevant. It's if an idea is stupid, then literally आंखों में आंख डाल के बोलो कि bro तू बहुत बड़ा है. You beep the हाँ तू बहुत बड़ा भी हाँ, and that's it.
Yeah.
तो हाँ.
Superb.
Yes.
And ये beep जो है बहुत important बन गया है.
Who is the elder bro in the group though?
I think like I would say actually Shakya and Khamba actually,
maybe, yeah.
because so Ashish has a back problem. So Ashish we already call the statesman of the group because randomly in the middle of the day Ashish will get up and go start doing yoga.
Yeah.
And this that.
Very
Yeah,
uncle-like.
he's got- Yeah, very
Suddenly
uncle-like.
yoga कर रहा है.
Yeah, he's very uncle
And
like.
Khamba is also like मतलब टिस से masters थोड़ा मतलब like you know very
Serious. Khamba looks very serious. है क्या? Real life में भी ऐसी है.
Let's just he's grumpy. He is the older
Yeah.
uncle / brother.
like if you had to do age of souls, then I think Khamba has the oldest soul in the group.
In the group.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's just say if between Vikram and Betal, Khambal would be like
Khambal.
Khambal. Khambal.
He's Khambal.
He's Khambal. Yeah.
Okay.
He's the oldest soul in the group.
But listen, you guys are like fabulous. You know, people look up to you के jokes. जैसे कोई आता है कुछ भी दिमाग में ऐसे ही जोक आता है कि आता कैसा है बॉस. आप किसी को देखते हो उसका अपीयरेंस होता है, कपड़े होते हैं. First thing that strikes you.
Ooh, I think appearance is what strikes everyone the first thing when they see it.
Like for example, when I came on, I'll give you an example. When I came onto your set, the first thing I saw is this bookshelf.
Yeah.
Now this bookshelf, for me, the appearance, what strikes you first is that while designing the set, somebody went to Google and said Bollywood books, and then did image search, which is why every single book says Bollywood Houseful, Bollywood Blonde, part of Bollywood behind the scenes. So that's what. So yeah, that strikes us. Appearance. first, straight away.
Observation.
Yeah,
Observational
observational
comedy.
Actually, किसी ने
Observational
किया
comedy.
नहीं है ये observe, but very good. इसके लिए
Observational
ये
comedy.
refrigerator हुआ आपका.
Thank you.
What did you observe?
The same. I actually saw pictures of you, and my first
Yes.
thought was, what happened, Sangeeta? Why have
You
they
seeing
picked
this
this?
Tammy?
It's true. What is this? What is going on?
Listen, I can do this. Can you guys do this?
This.
Touch the tongue to the nose.
I can,
I
but
know
only
it's
on
very
certain websites accessible to people above the age of
We're
18.
getting a lot of likes already.
This is like a swan hosting a show, and all the pictures are of the ugly duckling.
Yeah, what is this?
Thanks, sir.
Yeah, I'm saying you look so much nicer now.
I'm gonna-
No, it's the other way around.
I know
It's the
that
other way
is
around.
These are-
He's saying that
these
the
are better
photos don't do you
pictures.
justice, is what he's saying.
That's so sweet.
Yeah.
Yeah. Of course.
I want to tell you, you want dirty secrets of AIB, I'll tell you right now. ये शो के पहले भी होता है.
हाँ.
तू कर, मेरे से नहीं होगा. मैं बॉम्ब होने वाला है. फिर जाके पूरा ऑडियंस मतलब बवाल मचा रखा है वहाँ पे. लेकिन यार मेरा हाँ, it was
So that's Tanmay Bhatt.
I think the key is to have set expectations really low. Even with my mom, it's like, Mom, I'm going to be like some drug addict in jail.
And now that you're not,
1 minute in
Yeah.
jail, it almost came true.
Yeah, but maybe not for the same reasons.
it's like the Donald Trump presidency, right? Where everybody's like, a day where he wakes up and doesn't press the nuclear button
Is amazing.
already a good
Amazing,
day.
yeah.
Like he's a great president already today than what we expected. So it's exactly like that, expectation management.
We are like actors, but who deserve the attention?
Yeah, that's the only difference. Yeah.
But now moving on, okay, about jokes. सबसे ज़्यादा trend क्या करता है jokes? इतने सारे shows perform कर दिए. एक at least कोई joke है जो अब
Politics.
तक
Politics.
Politics.
Always.
Politics is always like that. Even in politics, there's a hierarchy, right? Like there used to be any Manmohan Singh joke was just a staple.
Gold.
Anyone will take it.
Yeah.
Like Rahul Gandhi jokes are still there. Like they'll still get the laugh. But even the audiences are like, मैं समझ गया ये Rahul Gandhi. Like I
मतलब
get
हो
it.
चुका, been
Rahul
there,
Gandhi
done that.
himself is like कि मैंने सब सुन लिया.
Like,
Please
there's
नया वाला
nothing
लेके आओ.
new.
But I think now with demonetization and everything,
Yeah. Basically,
like,
Kejriwal and Modi.
Kejriwal and Modi are Kejriwal still you can milk. Kejriwal does a lot of things, but now with demonetization, you've got that one thing that you can go after Modi ji also,
Yeah.
which is nice. If Amit Shah doesn't trace you down, yeah.
But all these fun demonetization jokes you posted on the AIB platform as well.
Yeah.
Quickly, tell me some of them.
There's so many.
Top of the
that's
mind.
Very top of the head jokes are very difficult. Like it's the worst part of being a comedian. When people ask you on the spot a joke, you're like,
No, I think I remember the
क्या
first
आपने ही वो
time.
joke लिखा था?
I remember
That kind of
जिस दिन demonetization was in 10-15 जोक सबने बैठ के मार दिया था. One of the ones that I was supposed to go to a wedding the next day. And I was just like, कल सिर्फ लिफाफा मिलने वाला है आपको. Thank you very much. No, now the change with it. But there were so many. I remember as soon as it happened, my mother forwarded. Demonetization is one of the moments कि आपको पता है कि अगले 3 महीने के लिए दुनिया बदलने वाली है. And so much happened at one go. Like Donald Trump happened and the next day demonetization.
yeah, literally the next day.
It was crazy. my mother actually started it. My mother sent me those 500 के नोट में भेलपुरी डाल के भेज दिया किसी को.
My mother also said
मतलब now because of WhatsApp, no, हर कोई comedian है. It's not limited to a profession. Now everybody is a comic. कोई भी किधर भी होगा चलिए ला कि WhatsApp पे डाल दो, WhatsApp पे
और हो
automatically it goes.
कितने बार खुद का जोक खुद को मिला है?
काफी बार.
Oh, काफी बार.
What do you do in that situation? You feel, oh my God, we've hit
It's
the
a
nail.
combination of pride and annoyance because what happens is it's your joke that comes back to you, लेकिन your credit is not there. Somebody else has धापोड the credit and that's how it comes
Change
back
कर
to
दिया
you.
थोड़ा बहुत.
So you feel a little proud कि wow मेरा thought वापस आ गया है, लेकिन ये हाँ.
संगीता जोक जो
Chinese
होता है ना,
whisper.
जोक जो होता है ना बेटी की तरह होती है, वो पराया धन होता है. एक बार आपने दे दिया ना तो बस दे दिया, अब क्या करें, अब वापस आई तो किस्मत आपकी.
मतलब वापस आए की बात करें तो रोस्ट सर, वापस आए तो क्या बात
क्या
होगी?
बात है?
तो बता दो पहले रोस्ट ने तो रोस्ट कर दिया सबको.
Also true. Also true.
So like
Yes.
अभी I read somewhere where Rohan said that I don't mind if roast comes back, so why not do roast too?
We would love it.
Yeah,
We've always
absolutely,
maintained it. In fact, it's the number one question we still get asked. यार, when you doing another roast?
बता यार.
I'm like यार तू किसी को convince कर roast करने के
Because
लिए.
everybody assumes that the roast is up to us. Like we could
कि हम
write it.
like I will call Amitabh Bachchan tomorrow. हाँ sir, are you free tomorrow? Cool, I'll see you. It
And
doesn't
be
work
like
like that.
हाँ मैं Piku 2 छोड़ रहा हूँ. मैं like
Piku 2.
literally
That's
2.
nice.
Piku में अलग
So, yeah.
no, he died in the first one.
But
Spoiler
अगर-
alert.
Spoiler alert.
Yeah.
There we go.
But अगर देख लिया है लोगों ने. But अगर ये बनाना होता है रोस्ट, if it was in your hand, कॉल लगाओ, कौन से 3 celebrities को कॉल?
Oh, I think now. I mean, the ultimate roast would be the Prime Minister of the country. Like I think Modi
You
ji.
don't move from politics.
But
It's
Modi
like
ji-
your favorite
Modi ji-
Who
topic.
is a bigger figure to roast than
Than the Prime Minister.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But other than that, if I had to pick people to roast, just because I think they're extremely cool and would be great fun to roast, Shah Rukh Khan.
Shah Rukh Khan would be amazing.
so much fun to roast because
Did you
he's
try
just.
getting him इससे पहले?
We've
like whenever we are around Shah Rukh, like
Yeah, we
we're
always
like,
chance
hey,
maro. We're like, sir,
what are you doing next
do you do?
year
Yeah.
in like December?
Like, what's your scene? Because the thing with Shah Rukh Khan is also one of those people that after you're done roasting him, he will get up and destroy you right back.
Dude, he will
He's super
destroy you
wicked.
then and there.
Yeah, exactly.
Shah Rukh
He'll
is
destroy you.
insanely smart and
Yeah,
he's
yeah.
so funny.
he-
Like I remember the first time we wrote Filmfare.
Yeah.
Like the only reason we say yes to any of these gigs is not because Shah Rukh is involved in it. Right?
Yeah.
We were at his house and between like 1 a.m. to 5 a.m. we were sitting and we were supposed to be working.
Yeah.
But it was just Shah Rukh telling us stories from his life and just for 5 hours
Yeah,
we
yeah.
did not talk. It's the only time we
You
haven't-
didn't talk?
We didn't talk.
We didn't
He
talk.
just
Both of you
stood there.
didn't talk.
And we sort of stepped out of the house at about 5:30 in the morning and we were like, you know, it's a good thing he became an actor. He's a stand-up comedian. हम सबकी band बजाता है ये आदमी.
He's hilarious.
He is one of the naturally most funny people
Witty.
I've met. Yeah, not just witty. His
Incredibly
timing,
smart.
his everything is
And
fantastic.
he's great. He's a great mimic also,
Yeah.
which is really good. And he's also like, क्या लोग वही है करते रहते मेरे बारे में. Like he's also tired
तो यार
of it.
शाहरुख खान का कुछ और इमिटेट करना तो क्या करेंगे?
अब क्या होगा?
किरण हो गया.
तो हो गया.
And I
ये
mean,
हो गया.
I don't know how to imitate a 25-year success of 900 crores as the country's biggest business film. That's very hard mimicry
Yeah.
to do.
That's good
That's
one.
why we have to do AA because that's all we can achieve
Now
in
you
comparison.
to mimic Shah Rukh, you'll have to age a lot really quickly.
Yeah,
Out of
like
nowhere.
very, very quickly, out of nowhere, and then do an unconventional role
Yeah.
in the year's biggest movies. And
But yeah,
very
I'm-
difficult.
are you looking forward to Shah Rukh's movies? I'm really excited.
Yeah.
He's just doing all sorts of like different
Yeah,
stuff.
यार सबको लगता है तुम बहुत कूल डूड्स हो यार. तुम मतलब फोन लगाओ लोग अपना
I wish, yeah.
कॉल
Yeah, I wish everybody thinks that.
सबको
कनेक्शन
लगता है
बहुत
हम-
स्ट्रांग है. ये भी मतलब कोई स्टार होगा.
Like
सबको
after the
लगता है-
roast and after like especially when like we did the Alia video, everyone thinks basically Karan Johar हमारा बाप है, Karan Johar हमारी माँ है, आलिया हमारी बेटी है, basically शाहरुख हमारा भाई है. Basically like literally people were calling him, हाँ तू शाहरुख को फोन लगा ना.
I'm like, I don't know
That's
him.
not how it
He's
works.
not going to answer our call.
But he knows you.
If he meets us and we're like, do you remember me? My name is Tanmay. I'm like, oh, I now
Yeah.
remember you.
The
Tanmay.
same thing
You
happened.
almost went to jail, you guys.
Yeah, so it's exactly the same. I went for like a Dear Zindagi screening and he was there. And you could tell, like in his face, there was that momentary, you know, that fear that people get when they're like, I recognize this guy, but I don't know him well enough to know his name.
मेरे को लगा
So-
the fear that मुझे पूछेंगे
No.
host में आ जाओ.
So he did that really polite thing. He did that really polite thing where he was like, hey, man. Like, he did that. I appreciated that. I
Yeah.
appreciated that. He did the familiarity even without remembering my name.
Listen, who all have blocked you out of the Bollywood gang on WhatsApp calls? What do you think?
Who's blocked me?
लगता है कोई किसी ने block किया
I
होगा.
don't think so. Nobody that I know. And even if they did, it wouldn't bother me. It's not like I go check.
No,
like
but
every day,
you do
oh,
come to know when people
Lalit
block
Modi has blocked me. He's not from Bollywood, but Lalit
But
Modi has
yeah,
blocked me.
I mean-
But it's probably a good thing.
Yeah. Yeah, probably. Yeah, like nobody can claim you have a connection
to him, yeah.
If he's
So who's
blocked
the
you.
Bollywood celeb whom you would call and who would answer? अब आपका phone ऐसे pick up कर देगा.
Ranveer and Arjun, I think.
Hopefully.
They'll answer. Hopefully. Ranveer stopped answering. Ranveer's too busy now. He's too
Ranveer, yeah, he's busy in life. And I respect and appreciate that. Also, he's like, how many times can I almost go to jail
for you
the
guys.
same people? I think, and that's a fair question to ask yourself, I feel.
Who else would answer? You know, honestly, this is because Bollywood stars don't answer their phones ever. They don't.
You have to,
That's what
you have to speak to the manager.
कोई उठाएगा ऐसे.
You have to
फट
speak to the
करके.
manager.
Oh, I know who always answers. Anurag Kashyap always answers.
This is true.
Anurag
Always
is the
answers.
nicest. He
Yes.
always answers, and he's always a little scared. Like he always answers.
डर
like,
डर के.
अब क्या हो गया? Like always ask, call
अब तुमने
Anurag
क्या
like
किया?
कि आज अनुराग मैं वापस न्यूज़ में हूँ कैसे हैंडल करता है तू करके.
What do we do?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Anurag always
Listen,
answers.
So many people, so many incidents have happened with AIB. How do you deal with it, yaar?
How? Where? So many.
Yeah.
Two things have happened.
See,
The
that
second
happened
one,
enough for a
the second one
lifetime.
wasn't even AIB. That
Yeah,
was
it
just
was
me.
just specifically
okay,
him.
that's let me move.
Tell me what the other things that happened with
Okay,
the
ठीक
AIB.
है. Roast happened. Okay, what happened with Snapchat? Obviously, we all know.
Everybody
And
saw
what
what happened.
Everybody saw you.
Everybody saw.
और क्या हुआ?
तो
So
और
many
कुछ नहीं
things.
हुआ.
They
Please,
तो
we've
make
been
it sound
very
like-
clean.
Yeah, they तो make it sound like Al-Qaeda only.
Yeah.
Like every 2 weeks we keep like allowing something.
अच्छा, दो चीजें हुई.
दो चीज हुआ
वो
है,
भी
4
एक-
साल में 4 साल में 2 चीज हुई है।
कॉमेडी के ICC है this ये Zoom पे रिपोर्ट होता है यहाँ पे. There'll be some anchors.
4 साल
controversial comedy.
लाइफ टाइम कौन जाता है यार 2 चीज के लिए जेल ऑलमोस्ट तुम लोग गए हो.
उतना I think the jail thing is also
Yeah,
like
it's-
it's
yeah.
just it's played up a lot. We were
Okay, I
never
need to know
going
this.
to.
Did you play it in your mind कि आप जेल जाके क्या करोगे अगर वो इंसिडेंट हुआ तो?
I think रोज के टाइम पे थोड़ा
हाँ,
we
थोड़ा
probably
थोड़ा
thought of
सोचा था कि मतलब क्या करना चाहिए लाइक थोड़ा पुशअप करना चाहिए जेल जाने के
जेल में कौन पूछा करता है?
you know no before going like you know कभी लड़ना पड़ेगा शायद तो थोड़ा वैसा थॉट हुआ
it. You know, in my head the image was always like I think before that Asim Trivedi's case had happened.
Yeah.
Okay, and Asim Trivedi was all like this and all when he was going to jail. So I was always like we should carry the tiranga with us. अगर जाना है तो full शहीद जैसे जाओ. Like that was the whole in my head that was the plan.
And he's so
but that bluster lasted 20 minutes
Yeah.
then after that it was
उसके बाद
more like
चलो नेक्स्ट क्या है?
हाँ it was more like हाँ शायद नहीं जाते
Maybe
I think
it's,
अच्छा होगा नहीं गए
I
तो
really
We
enjoy
changed
this
our
house.
minds.
Yeah.
More like we
Yeah.
changed our mind. Okay, listen, there are so many fat jokes on you. Body shaming के बारे में अक्खी दुनिया बात करती है. Be it on Twitter, on Facebook. Has anybody supported you in the whole thing? क्योंकि you get crazy trolls every
I
day.
get, yeah, all the time. It's happening right now.
It's like
Yeah.
आज क्या करें? Target तन्मय भट्ट.
Yeah, but it's easy. I get it. I was like to me, if I was on that side of the screen, I have been there myself and I have done this myself. So I get it. It's just a part and parcel of the whole thing. The best you can hope for is to educate people about it, maybe talk to them about it and see.
Which you did in one of the
I,
videos.
I have. And I think the problem with being a comedian is you can never try and do that because the counter always is, तू कर सकता है, हम लोग नहीं कर सकते क्या? I'm not saying
yeah like yeah
मत करो. I'm just saying just understand and have some empathy. That's all.
Thank you seriously guys. I think I had a super time आज यार मेरा सुपरस्टार में of course और भी fun बातें करेंगे हम next week. Choose करो between Sachin Tendulkar and Lata Mangeshkar.
right
तुम्हारा
This
pick.
is for you. It's not for me.
तुम्हारा
right.
नहीं of course it's going to come to you to hang out with your
Sachin
favorite.
Tendulkar, man, I'm a cricket fan like not even and that's not even with any disrespect to Lata Mangeshkar so I'm going to be very clear about that
You know, if either of them want to hang out with me, I'm happy to.
yeah
I think the question is the ball's really in their court.
Yeah.
That in mind.
तुम्हारी माँ हमारे कब्जे में है.
I would say industrialists about Earth.
Nice.
Boom, deep social
Wow.
message.
Okay.
You heard it first on Zoom TV.